Do you want to make 180,000 with one single video like this girl here? Her name is Coach T. You can if you sign up for her one-to-one coaching, which costs 120,000. But if you want to save this money and learn absolutely free how she's done it and duplicate her success, then watch this video. Welcome, my name is Money Teacher Agnes and I am a high-ticket products organic marketing coach. Our community counts over 1,900 students, which nearly half of them is making big commissions selling higher ticket products like Daniel, Nate, and some other people. In today's video, we will talk about that one video that generated Coach T over 180,000. She made that money using purely organic social media traffic, using one video and then using sales funnels. And what's the best? You can fully duplicate her success, and today I will show you completely for free how to do it. Because this information is worth literally hundreds of thousands of dollars, I would appreciate your a wee thumb up or a wee comment. Let's get started. The video that we are talking about is something new that was released only a few months ago by Facebook, which is called Facebook Reels. Facebook Reels is a feature that is strongly pushed by Facebook at the moment. We all know that whenever social media platform releases a new feature, this feature gets a lot of organic traffic, like it was in the first place with TikToks, like then it was with, and it still is with Instagram Reels, and now we have Facebook Reels. And you probably want to know, yes, but how to create that very viral reel that can generate so much money. And here is the magic. Probably most of you follows the very standard advice: you must post every single day, ideally 3 to 5 times a day, and you will go viral. No, the time has changed. Maybe, definitely you can't go viral like that anymore on TikTok, because TikTok is pushing quality over quantity, and the same is with Facebook Reels. If you are able to generate 3 Facebook Reels a week, I'm talking about 3 high quality Facebook Reels a week, then create only 3 of them a week. You probably may say, yeah, that's great, Money Teacher Agnes, you tell us to create less content and you want us to create a better quality content, but how are we supposed to know what content we should upload to our Facebook Reels? At that stage, I probably assume you have some knowledge about your audience. You know where your audience hangs out, you know what are their pain points, you know what time your audience is mostly active on specific social medias. First of all, ask yourself, who is your audience? Who is your ideal avatar? I don't want to give any suggestions, but your ideal avatar is exactly the same person like you. So stand in the mirror and look at yourself and ask yourself questions. What problems did you have? How did you solve them? What helped you to solve those problems? How do you feel now? What was the process of your transformation? What effect this or that product or course done for you? All those questions are needed to figure out who is your ideal audience and where did you get all the information to solve your problems from. So if Facebook, let's say, was the main social media platform that you were chatting with some other people about your problems, then probably your ideal audience is on Facebook, because you manage to achieve great results. So probably they are in the same situation as you were a couple of months ago, and they are looking for similar help. So now maybe it's your turn to help them. If your audience is on Facebook, then use Facebook and all the most important features that Facebook offers to reach your perfect audience. My general suggestion is to upload as many video content as possible, because it's not a secret that all social media platforms are pushing and prioritizing video content instead of stagnant content. So for that reason, if let's say you concentrate on your Facebook, then my suggestion is to create 3 types of content. I would say 1 to 2 posts a day when your audience is active is good enough. And generally, I would create 3 types of content. The first content would be the viral content that would contain quite interesting topics from your niche. That might be something from a current news or some views. If you went through a losing weight transformation, then create a video of your journey and something that would really catch people's attention. Then the next post is to create the authority. That means you must show that you know what you are talking about, so people believe you that yes, she knows really how to help me. She went through the same things what I'm going through now, and she is a couple of steps ahead me, and I can ask her questions and she will be able to answer me because she's done so much of studying about this subject. So she would save me loads of time and money and effort. So why not go and ask her and contact her directly for some advice? And the third type of content, which you should really use not that often, is to talk directly about your product and what you are selling. But that type of content shouldn't be overused. It should be somewhere in between those 2 other contents. If you are uploading 2 times a day, so that's 14 times a week. So in that case, you will have 14 posts or videos to upload. So I will concentrate on 5 viral posts a week and 5 authority posts a week, and then 2 sales posts a week. I think that's enough. The best is to show in the meantime that you are an ordinary person, that you are just a person who either has family, friends, passions, who does hiking or drives a bike, who goes to the gym, who loves travel, not to show off. Because I've seen so many coaches who are upstaging and creating their marketing posts, which looks very unnatural, and people will notice that. Show how you live, because they have different priorities, like financial freedom, to be able to relax, just to be able to spend more time with my family. Like that was my priority. It wasn't really to buy the most expensive car. I wanted to be with my family and give my children my time, because they are young only for a short period of time, and I didn't want to miss on that. So whatever person you are, you will attract similar people. You will attract more customers being truly yourself. Coming back to the main question, how did she make those 180,000 on Facebook Reels? Coach Tia made that 6 figures using 4 strategies. First, low ticket offer. Second, group coaching. Third, high ticket private coaching, like the one that I just told you about, 6-figure coaching, and 1 speaking offer. I know the other 2 might be quite hard for you to make it if you are only a starting business entrepreneur, but with the first 2, I'm sure you will have no problems, especially if you join my Facebook group, The Future Millionaires, where you will learn a lot about organic marketing. Plus, my unique proposition is I will help you to jumpstart your TikTok and Facebook Reels, creating TikTok and Facebook Reels challenge. If you go to the link in the description and join the 3-day TikTok and Facebook Reels challenge. What you will learn there, you will learn how to create the sales funnels that can drive traffic, how to set up your offers. Those funnels can be used not only for affiliate offers but also for your own products. Then you will be able to implement that knowledge from that 3-day Facebook challenge. I know it's only €7, it's less than 2 cups of coffee, so if you are serious about starting your real online business, then I wouldn't think twice. Come join the Future Millionaires group and start your 3 days challenge, and I will see you there.